In this video, we learn what exactly exercise 4 in paper 2 IGCSE English as a second language looks like and how to perform this exercise to get a good mark. As you can see, this exercise includes a few guidelines followed by an article which is about a certain topic. Here, for example, you read an article about listening to music while studying. In this exercise, you're expected to create a brief summary of the article given to you. But how lengthy your summary should be? As it is said, the word limit for this exercise is between 100 to 120 words. Be careful not to exceed the limitation. The other important thing about this exercise is that the summary you write should be based on your own words. So, no copy, no paste here. The last principle about exercise 4 is that up to 8 marks will be given to you for what you include in your summary, and you will receive up to 8 marks for the grammar, sentence structure, and sentence type you use in your summary. Now that we know what's the structure of exercise 4, we jump in the next step, which is about how to do exercise 4. Step 1. Read the question carefully to understand what exactly you're required to write about. In this question, for example, you need to write a summary about the advantages of listening to music while studying and what this music should be like. Step 2. Create the first line of your summary by paraphrasing the topic given to you in the question. In this question, for example, a good paraphrase for the advantages of listening to music while studying and what this music should be like can be: the benefits of studying with music and the type of music that should be listened to while studying are discussed in the following article. Step 3. Go to the article and try to find the relevant points. Put a number next to each point. It helps you remember all the points you need to write your summary. Step 4. Paraphrase the points and add them to your summary. Use your own words as much as possible. Employ linking words such as the first, in addition, and finally to connect your sentences. Once you are done with your summary, please make sure you've gone through the following checklist. Check the topic of your summary, word count for this exercise, relevant points, your spelling, punctuation, vocabulary, and cohesive devices you use to connect your sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.